This Realty ONE Group Select property video is presented by Christina Grosu. Wow! This move-in ready and gorgeous newly built Central Point townhouse is absolutely stunning. Meticulously maintained with modern finishes throughout and upgrades galore. Private rooftop terrace. Well-desired Terravista floorplan features spacious living room with separate dining area and a beautifully designed chef's kitchen /modern cabinetry, upgraded Whirpool stainless steel appliances, beautiful backsplash tile and granite countertops. Private patio perfect for grilling. 9 ceilings throughout. Upstairs hosts an oversized primary bedroom and gorgeous ensuite bedroom with granite countertops, glass surround shower, rainfall showerhead and large walk-in closet. Second floor hosts second bedroom /ensuite bath and laundry room with room for full-size washer/dryer. Top floor hosts additl bedroom and full bath. Many other upgrades, hardwood floors in main living areas, upgraded metal spindles, 50-gallon water heater, and so much more. All HVAC systems, water heater and TAMKO roof are 2019. Attached 2-car private garage. For more information,